Alright, this is Jasmine and Josh from Havre. We are the storm spotters here. And we've got several tree branches down, as you can see.
There's one breaking right there. You can see it's cracked.
We'll take a gander at that one. Let's take a walk through the neighborhood and see what we got. So we've already measured 8 inches. That was about 40 minutes ago. We reported that to the National Weather Service. We have some areas that are drifting up to 12 inches, but we've got tree branches down everywhere, and they're large tree branches, and they just keep coming down. There's one hanging on a power line there. And we called that in. Northwestern Energy's just too busy. And apparently the emergency services are busy too, so we got traffic coming underneath that. And we've prevented a couple people from parking there, but it's pulling on both of these poles. And it's just heavy, heavy snow. So let's take a walk. Got a tree branch down over there. And there's one up there that's hanging down. Yeah, it's just, that power line is struggling. Let's take a gander this way here. Got a big tree branch that came down over here in the neighbor's yard. Sounds like there might be more coming, so we're gonna get out of here. Oh, there went one right on their roof. Wow. So this is the scene pretty much everywhere. Actually, there's one kind of hanging on a roof, but the roof is supporting a little bit. This one looks really bad. We're gonna get away from this. And I'm sure it's only gonna get worse overnight, so we're gonna really, as the wind picks up, maybe we'll get out of here. Roads are terrible, slushy, slippery. Power's out in a lot of areas in Havre, but we still have it here. And you can just see the weight on the trees.
That light was out just a minute ago, now it's on.
Yeah, it's kind of the street lights are shorting in and out. But okay.